Welcome back everybody. Now just a quick one today. I'm going to be making an ultimate BLT sandwich. Well, it's not actually a sandwich, it's going to be in a baguette. So first of all, we've got this lovely streaky bacon. British Oak-Smoked Streaky there, really nice. Tend to go for smoked, it tastes better I think. I've got beautiful cherry tomatoes there, ripened up on the vine. Look at the colour of those babies. I've got a heart of romaine lettuce. I've got some mayonnaise there, good quality mayonnaise. Butter. These are my part-baked, stone-baked baguettes. Now you cook these in the oven for about 12 minutes. Get them nice and crispy. Obviously you've got to let them cool down. We've got to let our bacon cool down as well before we assemble our sandwiches. First things first, I'm going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees for our baguettes. So there's our ingredients. Little fun one today. Let's get cooking. Okay, oven preheated to 200 degrees. Baguettes going straight in. 12 minutes. In the meantime, here's my bacon. Now, I haven't decided whether to put 4 rashers per baguette or 6. I'll tell you what, we'll see how much they shrink, and then we'll decide. I've got 28 rashers there, so I could do 7 per person. I don't think we need 7, I think 5 maybe. Let's start frying them up. Now, I'm not putting any oil in. You get a lot of oil coming out of streaky bacon. Obviously going to have to cook these in batches and then let them cool down on kitchen roll so it won't be too unhealthy. Fat will just soak away. So yeah, batches of 5 while our baguettes are cooking, because the baguettes have got to cool down as well. So I'm just going to carry on frying my streaky bacon. Right, bacon's coming along nicely. I'm going to do a few more. I've decided to do 6 rashers per baguette. Nice. Bread is done. Oh, look at the colour of those babies. Right, I'm going to leave them over there to cool down completely. And carry on frying my bacon. So, 14 rashers done. We'll do another 10. 6 per person. Just carry on frying these and washing my tomatoes, picking and washing my tomatoes. They're going to be quartered. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, that's my bacon done perfectly. The last 2 bits going on the kitchen towel there. Look at all that oil, that's all come out of the bacon. I didn't add any oil at all. Stick a couple of slices of bread in there, make a lovely tasty bit of fried bread, that would. Yeah, let's put that over there. Baguettes are still quite warm. I'm going to quarter my tomatoes and I'm going to wash my lettuce and start shredding that up while all this is cooling down. So I'll see you when that's done. Right, there we go. All our ingredients are ready. Baguettes have cooled down nicely, they're near enough stone cold. Bacon's cooled down, our cherry tomatoes have been quartered. There's about 440 grams of cherry tomatoes there. 1 heart of romaine lettuce. Probably won't use all this, but it won't go to waste. Got the mayonnaise ready. I've got my butter, I like to put a bit of butter on the baguette. First things first, let's cut these babies down the middle. I want to cut them right through. Just about to there. Open them up a little bit. Keep them in one piece. I'm just going to look a thin layer of butter on this. You don't need too much because you've got mayonnaise as well. So I'm just going to carry on buttering that. Okay, thinly buttered. Let's get our bacon in. As I said, I'll go all out on this one. 6 lovely rashers of bacon. at that. There we go. That's what you call a BLT. Let's get some of these beautiful tomatoes in there. They're all squashed down together. I'd say about that many. Some of our nice crisp lettuce. This sandwich is definitely a fat boy. Look at that. You need a big mouth to get around it. Alright. Last but not least, can't have a BLT without mayonnaise in it. Get your mayonnaise spread on there. That looks about perfect to me. Last but not least, little twist of black pepper, not too much. Right, one BLT ready to serve. Make sure it's all pushed in. We're going to give this a nice cut down the middle so you can see the cross section. Right, oh look at that. That looks appetizing. Right, cut it on an angle. There we go. How beautiful is that? Right, I'm going to put this on a plate and get ready to serve it up. And there we have it, everyone. Beautiful, hearty BLT sandwich in a baguette. So I'm going to serve this with a nice cold Le Chouffe beer from Belgium. There you go, French bread, Belgian beer. Can't be too bad, can it? Look at that. Going to enjoy this in the sunshine, in the garden. You can't get better than that. That is going to be lovely. Little bit of fun today. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.